Deconstructed Methi Paratha. It is really easy and delicious. Friends, if you like this video, don't forget to like, comment, share and subscribe to the channel. To make the deconstructed Methi Paratha, I am going to use the ingredients of the Methi Paratha. So friends, first I will start by making the dough for the chapati. So here I have taken 1 bowl of whole wheat atta, 1 small teaspoon of salt, 1 small teaspoon of oil, and then we have to mix it well. Now we slowly have to add water in it and knead the dough. A bunch of methi, 1 bowl of whole wheat atta, salt as required, 1 teaspoon of turmeric powder, 1.5 teaspoon of red chili powder, garlic and green chili paste, 1 cup of oil. So friends, first I am going to take the dough and roll it. By a pizza cutter. Chapati pieces are ready. Next we have to take a heavy bottom pan or non-stick kadai. First we will add some oil at the bottom. Next I will add the green chili paste, and next we will add the chapati pieces, and then we will add the methi leaves. We have to make a layer of the methi leaves, and then we will add turmeric powder and some red chili powder and salt is required. Then we will add some oil, and then we are going to make the second layer of the chapati pieces. And next comes the methi layer again. Some turmeric powder, red chili powder, and then we are going to make the chapati layer for the third time. If you want to add some garam masala, you can add it. And then we will add some methi on it for the next methi layer. Oil, some more oil, and then the fourth layer of chapati pieces. Oil, and then we will cover it. After this we have to put the pan on medium flame and we have to steam it for 15 minutes. Deconstructed Methi Paratha are ready. It took 15 to 20 minutes to get steamed. I have served it with some coriander leaves, lemon juice, and most important thing, I am going to add 1 spoon of ghee on it. And now I am going to enjoy it. Friends, if you like this video, don't forget to like, comment, share and subscribe my channel.